Welcome to another episode of Fact Fuel, where we dive into the intricacies of the world around us. Today, we're unlocking the secrets behind an art form that tantalizes taste buds around the globe, sushi making. Hey everyone, we are excited to be here and share some of the intricacies of sushi making with you. History and origin. Before we dive into the how-to, let's take a brief look at where sushi came from. Originating in Japan, this culinary art form has roots dating back to the 8th century. That's right, originally, sushi was a way to preserve fish by fermenting it with rice. Over the years, it has evolved into the dish we know and love today. Types of sushi. Now, many people don't know that sushi isn't just raw fish. Exactly, there are several types of sushi, including nigiri, sashimi, maki, and more. Each has its own method of preparation and presentation. The ingredients? Quality is key when it comes to sushi. You need high-grade fish, perfect rice, and fresh vegetables. Don't forget the wasabi and soy sauce. They add that extra zing. The art of making sushi. Alright, let's get to the main event. The rice is the backbone of good sushi. It needs to be short-grain rice, washed well, and cooked to perfection. Precision is key when cutting the fish. The slices need to be just the right thickness. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. Whether you're making nigiri or a maki roll, balance and proportion are crucial. Wow, this sushi looks amazing. The precision and care really show. Thank you. Remember, sushi making is an art form. It takes time and practice. Well, that wraps up our deep dive into the art of sushi making. If you found this episode of Fact Fuel appetizing, be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more enriching episodes. Until next time, keep fueling your curiosity.